How to allow Snapchat to use camera on iPhone. So if you're someone that is new to Snapchat, Snapchat is a camera-based app where you take photos and filters and things like that to post to your stories and things like that. So what we can do is go over to Snapchat, and as you see, my camera is turned off. So what we can do is go through your settings through here, or you can go through your phone settings. So I'm just going to hit open settings. And that's going to bring me to the Snapchat app settings in my iPhone. So if we were to back out of this and hit cancel, and you're just in your iPhone settings, you would go down to apps, and then you would go ahead and type in Snapchat, and that would come up. And this is the settings that it just brought me to. So as you see here, you have photos, you have Bluetooth, you have all kinds of settings that allow Snapchat to use. And now what you can do is go ahead and toggle on camera. So from this point forward, Snapchat will be able to use your camera so that you can take a picture, use filters, send stories, send videos, and that's it. That's how you would allow Snapchat to use camera on your iPhone.